Peacock. Peacock is a national bird of India from 1963. Peacock is rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian traditions. Peacock is a beautiful creature on earth. The word peacock does not actually apply to both the male and female bird. It's only the male that are called peacocks. Females are called peahens. Together, the corrective name for them is peafowl. Peacock is blue colored. The feathers of peacock have variety and colors in it. The neck of peacock is long and beautiful. The peacock has crown on his head. Peacock lovely when dances in rain. Thank you. Bye bye. Like this video.